بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our classes. Today we are in page 95. Let's get started. Okay, before we get started, remember these 5 letters: Qaf, Qa, Ba, Jim and Dal. Qutbu Jaddin. These 5 letters, when they have sukun, you have to hit them. Okay, so whenever we find them, we're going to underline them until we reach its page where it's going to be explained thoroughly. So we have تمرينات على السكون بعد الحركات الثلاث. Practices on sukun. Okay, after doing the first 3 harakas. So we have نأخذ. نأخذ. Make sure you are able to read 2 letters at a time. نأخذ. Remember we said Hamza with the sukun sounds like a hiccup. نأخذ. 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 Na, b. Remember, ba is amongst our letters. Okay, so make sure you remember it. Nab, ath, nab'ath, nab'ath, nab'ath. Yatlu, yatlu, yatlu. Yathrib, rib. Remember, ba is amongst our 5 letters. Okay, Yathrib. Yathrib, Yathrib. Then you have Bi'sa, Bi'sa. Remember, Hamza with the sukun sounds like a hiccup. Not exactly, but sounds like. Bi'sa, Bi'sa, Bi'sa. Tib, Tib. Remember, Ba with the sukun. Okay, Qalqala, we have to do the Qalqala. Tib, Tibrin, Tibrin, Tibrin. Then we have sit, run, run. Mithqala, mithqala, mithqala. Then we have tu'thir. Remember, Hamza with the sukun sounds like a hiccup, okay? And we said when a Hamza is being carried by Alif, Waw or Ya, we read the Hamza and not the Waw. Tu'thir. Then we have tube, b. Remember, ba is amongst the 5 letters. Okay, tube, di', tube di'. Then we have tutla. Look at the lam, it has alif saghira. Tutla. Then we have muthla, lam with alif saghira. Muthla. So na'khudh, nab'ath, yatlu, yathrib, bi'sa, Tibirin, sitran, mithqala, tu'thir, tubdi', tubdi', tutla, muthla. Inshallah, thank you for watching. See you in the next half.